Hey guys, so welcome to topic one. What is cyberbullying? So today we'll give you a brief insight into what cyberbullying is, what it's defined as. Just give you a quick little briefing, and then I'll let you guys go so you can crack on with the activities and the resources. But a little bit about what cyberbullying is. So it's defined as the use of electronic communication to bully a person, typically by sending messages of an intimidating or threatening nature. So if you receive a message, it could be from anyone, it could be from a friend, it could be from someone you don't know, it could be from anybody whatsoever. However, if you're being intimidated, or if you're feeling threatened, you're more than likely being cyberbullied. So nowadays, the norms, or the modern norms, are to use social media apps such as Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. I'm sure you all have at least one, or if not all, of those apps. However, it's not just the social media apps that the bullies target. It's text messages, messaging apps, on mobiles, tablet devices. Obviously messaging, direct messaging, online chatting. Online chatting and online forums are one of the worst, because online forums, anybody can access them. And if they're hackers, they can hack into your stuff. You've got to be so careful on the internet. Emails as well, you've got to be careful that you don't click on anything. It's just cyber safety, cyberbullying. You can get bullied through emails, and obviously you can get bullied through online gaming communities as well. There's been instances of people playing online, Xboxes, PlayStations, even computer games. People have been bribed into selling items, being ripped off and bullied for money, for gaming coins, whatever it is. So you've got to be ultra careful when you're online. So why is cyberbullying so hard to deal with? It's hard to deal with because so many people across the planet can take part in it. The content, photos, whether it's photos, text, or videos, can be shared with an infinite amount of people if you're posting it in certain places. And the bully will usually do it in secret, by creating fake profiles or names, or sending anonymous messages. It's difficult to remove because obviously, if you don't know this already, once something's already posted, if you post something online, it's there forever. You can delete it, but there's still going to be a trace of that post or the message or whatever it may be. So that's something else to be super careful of. So that's the end of this part of topic one. Just a bit of a rundown. Like I said before, make sure you crack on with the resources. Make sure you do the quiz. Make sure you're taking notes. And then once you've finished with topic one, go on to topic two, and so on and so forth. So thanks for listening, and good luck with the rest of the course.